Okay, what we have here is the basic setup for a doorbell. You've got your doorbell kit, your chime, it's got your front, rear, transformer, front. That's the cover. Two switches, front and rear, and your transformer. This hardwires into power, and this is where your low voltage is. This goes, and I'm going to show you how to hook this up. Okay, let's see here. What we've got here is your basic doorbell setup. This is what you're going to see when you look at your house. You're going to have two, maybe three wires coming out. One of them goes to your transformer, like this. One of them goes to the front door switch, push button. Now in order to see if you have power to the unit, this is a simple test stick. You can get it at hardware stores. But this tells you you've got power here. So this is low voltage, so you're not going to get shocked. Okay, in order to find out which one you have voltage on coming from the transformer, set your voltmeter to about 20 volts DC and check the wires. It should read something like this. Doesn't matter which way you put this on, but you see you got voltage. It fluctuates 2, 3, 2.2, 3, 12, 29. It's going to do that off a transformer. So you go to the wires in your house to see if it's got voltage. This one, nothing. This one, nothing. This one, same thing. So this is the line coming from your transformer. I like to strip these a little bit longer. Not that long. Careful when you strip these. You want to strip them as individuals, like that. Now I've got this marked here that this goes to my transformer. This one goes to the bell. So you strip off about 1 inch of wire. This is coming from the transformer, and this says transformer front rear. So what I want to do, hook one to the transformer, and one to one of the lines coming from your doorbell. Push button. Just like that. Then you hook the other one to the front door, because this is front door here. And then the bell button. It doesn't matter what color goes to which when you're working with doorbells. on the bell itself, on the button. Like that. And then you hook this into the transformer. The light comes on. If this is hooked up right, it should shine. Now, if you have a back door wiring. So here's your back door coming in like this. And it's going to hook up very similar. You need power from the transformer to go through the switch. So I'll put the white on the transformer line. I like to even those up to give the wire nut a good tight fit on it. And then this one is going to go to the rear button. So this one should just ring once for the back door, and then front door is both. And that's the basic troubleshooting of an installation.